Hello guys and welcome to Hackiepedia. In this video, we are going to look about the installation of Ngrok in your Linux system. Let's get into the video. Now I'm in my Linux system. We need to open a browser. I'm using Brave. We need to go to ngrok.com. Now we need to create a free account with Ngrok. I already created an account, so I'm just signing in. But you need to create an account. Now under the getting started and setup and installation, there is a button for download for Linux. Right click the button and copy the link address. Now we will get the link of the button. Now we need to open the terminal. Now I'm going to install the Ngrok in download section, so I'm just changing the directory to downloads using cd command. Now using the wget command and the link that we copied, we can directly download the Ngrok files from the internet. So I'm just doing the wget and the link that we copied. Then we can list the directory and we can see that Ngrok file is downloaded. From that we need to track out the Ngrok commands. So using tall zxvf and the file name, we are just extracting the Ngrok commands, and that's all. Ngrok is downloaded. Now we need to connect our account with Ngrok. Now go on to your alt token and copy that alt token and go to the terminal and using the command ngrok alt token and paste that copied alt token. Then after that, and click enter and your Ngrok will be connected to your account. Now that's it. Now we can use Ngrok HTTP 880, and that's all. We installed Ngrok in your system.